In this class we will learn the despilling thing. We will focus on the hairs and this part. See, we are getting some green spill, so we have to remove this. This is our script. What we have done is we have done the alpha part here, and this one is our RGB part. I have made it separate from copy. What we'll do is we'll add here a keylight. There are few methods. In keylight I will take screen color. In green I will put 1, so it will just remove the green. See, but we have to keep the luminance. Luminance means we have to keep the brightness. Okay, brightness of the footage. For that what we'll do, we'll take merge and add B here and A here. Okay, and in merge I will add here minus. Where is minus? It will be F. So, yeah, we got all green color. Okay, now this is our spill part. We have to desaturate it. What we'll take is saturation node and we'll just desaturate it to 0. This will keep the luminance. Only this will remove only green part. Okay, now we'll add merge, and in merge we'll add plus. So we have done the despill. This is core despill. Okay, we'll add a what we say backdrop. We'll rename it to core despill. Core despill. After core despilling, what we'll get is, see, we'll getting some white color here on hairs and some white color here. See, this is our result. This is before and this is after. After doing this, we'll do despilling part wise, like edges. This was the core despill overall. Now we'll do the edges part. How we'll do that? We'll take, there are few methods more. We can add grade here, and we'll just change the color of hair. Like we'll take gain. We got this yellow, but it's working on overall. What we'll do is I will take alpha edge. We can take edge from alpha, anything you can take. We got the edges here. See, now what we'll do is we'll add a grade mask to this alpha. Now it will affect on the edges only. See, we are getting this part. We can play around here. We can match the color also. Okay, this way we will fix the hairs. We are getting some lines here, sharp lines. So what we do is in edge from alpha we can use edge blur. It's inside now, so we'll take inside. See, it's getting blending. It's blending. See, okay. Like this we will fix the edges. Yeah, now it's perfect. Okay. But it's affecting hair also. I don't want to affect hair. I want only on hairs part. What we'll do is in mask I will add merge and roto, and we'll just stencil it. We'll take only the hair part. We'll stencil the or mask it. See, it's just affecting on hairs, not overall. Okay, we can just take the alpha here. Always use blur with roto to get proper blending. Okay, this way we'll fix the edges. You can play in mix to blend. Now what we have to do is this part, this white edges. what we'll do is we'll take our dilate node. We have to tweak separately every part, okay? Not we will not do overall, okay? We'll do part wise. For that I will take dilate node. I will just dilate it little bit, something like this, and we'll add H from alpha again, H from alpha, and we'll add mask here. We are getting some weird lines, so we can fix from this, okay? We can blur it little bit. But remember, you have to work with the roto also. We'll take merge, roto, and we'll mask this area. It will affect only in this area. Mask. See, we have fixed this area. Okay. This way we will fix everything. Great. I think saturation is more here. We can just put a little bit. Yeah, this is fine. Okay.